Pronounce the word I give you. Number 1, advertisement. Let's go.
Advertisement.
Eh?
Advertisement.
Number 2, pronounce celebration. Celebration. Number 3, pronounce Deuteronomy.
Deuteronomy.
Number 4, pronounce Premier League.
Premier League.
Number 5, pronounce characteristic.
Characteristic.
Eh?
Characteristic.
Number 6, let's try Deuteronomy.
Deuteronomy.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continuing.
Number 7, let's try malnutrition.
Malnutrition.
Oh my God!
Malnutrition.
Number 8, pronounce congratulations.
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 Number 9, pronounce dehydration.
Dehydration.
Viewers,
Let's pay attention. Dehydration.
Dehydration.
Number 10, let's go back to characteristic.
Characteristic.
Come again.
Characteristic.
God have mercy upon us.
Last one, pronounce contribution.